Hi. So today we're doing page 328 and 329, ordered pairs. Jack is using a map to help him find different animal areas at the zoo. He wants to see the elephants first. How can this map help Jack find the elephants? The horizontal and vertical lines on the map make a grid. So this is your grid. Start at 0, right here. Move 2 spaces to the right, 1, 2. Then move 3 spaces up, 1, 2, 3. The elephants are located at 2, 3. The first number tells how many spaces to move to the right. So the first number was 2, that's why we went over 2. The second number, which is the 3, tells you how many to go up. 1, 2, 3. So that is how you will find where you're at the zoo. An ordered pair of numbers within parentheses, like 2, 3, names a point on a grid. First example, which animal is found at 5, 4 on the grid? So 5 is my first number, so I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go to 5, and I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we land on the monkeys. So the monkeys is found at 5, 4. Okay, over here. You're going to be practicing using these grids. And you're going to do numbers 2. I'll start here. And you're going to go all the way to 17. 2 through 17. Okay? Well, let's look at number 2 together. Does 4, 3 show the same point on a grid as 3, 4? So I'm going to look over here. 4, 3. 4 was my first number, so I go over 4 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I land on nothing. So now let's do 3, 4. Start at 0, go over 3, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I land on the bluebird. So to answer the question, does 4, 3 show the same point on a grid as 3, 4? No, it does not. So you can just put no. Number 3, for 3 of the 5, use the zoo grid on page 328. Write the ordered pair for each animal. So a tiger, let's look for our tiger, is right here. Okay, what numbers are you going to write in parentheses? Well, you're going to start at 0. You go over 4 and you go up 1, 2. So you would write 4, 2 in parentheses. So that is how you're going to do number 3, 4, and 5. Down here, for 6 through 11, we're not doing 18, we're just going to 17. Use the zoo grid on page 328 and write the ordered pair for each animal. So number 6 says bird. Here's our bird. You would go over 3, because I see that my bird is here. I would go over 3, and how many would I go up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would write parentheses 3, 4, end parentheses. That is how you do all the way to 11. 12 to 17, you copy the grid, locate each ordered pair, draw a point and label it with the letter. They want you to use this, okay? And you're going to have to draw this the best that you can. So 6, 3. You go over 6. You go up 3. 1, 2, 3. This is where I landed, so I put the letter A there because it has the letter here. Okay, so put the letter A. So remember, the first number, you're going to start at 0 and go across. The second number is where you're going to go up. So on this one, 1, 3, I start at 0, I go over 1, and I go up 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a dot there and put the letter B. Okay, so do that on 14, 15, 16, and 17. That's how you do all of that. Then, when you finish that, you have a worksheet that looks like this, ordered pairs. It's only one-sided, should be in your packet somewhere. Same kind of practice as what you did in your book. You're going to use this grid, and you're going to write the letter of the point. You've got to look. You've got to go over 4 and up 5, and tell me what letter that is. Okay? Over here, You're going to locate each ordered pair, and you're going to draw a point and label it with the type of fruit. So what you're going to do, 1, 1, apple. I go over 1 and up 1. Okay? And you're going to mark it with an A. So over 1 and up 1, and just put a dot there with an A. Okay? And then do the same for the rest of the fruits. Then you've got some multiplication, which you should be familiar with. You've got addition and subtraction, and some more multiplication and division down here. So none of this is new to you. This is all stuff that we have done. If you have any questions about this part, let me know, and I will do what I can to help you. See you later. Bye.